Hello and welcome to Zing channel. I'm here today with an interesting lesson, 20 opposites phrasal verbs with pictures. As usual, listen carefully and take notes. Let's get started. Number 1, fill up. Fill up. It means to become completely full. To become completely full. The opposite of fill up is empty out. Empty out. It means to remove everything from inside something. Now the examples of these two words. Example of fill up is he filled up the tank. He filled up the tank. The example of empty out is would you mind emptying out your pocket? Alright, number 2. Speed up. Speed up. It means move more quickly. The opposite of this word is slow down. Slow down. Move more slowly. Move more slowly. Now the examples. Speed up, we're late. And the other one? The ice on the road slowed us down. The word number 3. Bring down. Bring down. It means make someone unhappy. Make someone unhappy. And the opposite of this word is cheer up. Cheer up. It means to start to feel happier. Now the examples. You brought her down by doing that. You brought her down by doing that. She was sick, so I sent her some flowers to cheer her up. Okay, number 4. Pick up. Pick up. It means to lift something. The opposite of this word is put down. Put down. It means put an object on the floor. Now the examples. If a baby starts to cry, pick them up and give them a cuddle. I put my bags down while we spoke. Number 5. Mess up. Mess up. It means to make something or somewhere dirty. And the opposite of this word is tidy up. Tidy up. It means making a place or things tidy. The examples of these words are who's messed up the bookshelf? And the other one, I'll just go and tidy up. The next word, put on. Put on. It means to wear. And the opposite of this word is take off. Take off. It means to remove clothes. And the examples are Julie had put on a cotton dress. And the other one, he took off his clothes and got into the shower. Give up. Give up. It means stop trying. And the opposite of this word is carry on. Carry on. It means continue an activity. The examples are you'll never guess the answer. Do you give up? Let's carry on this discussion at some other time. The next one. Turn on. Turn on. It means switch on. And the opposite is turn off. Turn off. It means switch off. And the examples? Jack turned on his computer. Jack turned on his computer. The next one. Please turn the TV off before you go to bed. Check in. Check in. It means arrive and register at a hotel or airport. And check out. Check out. It means settle one's hotel bill before leaving. And the examples? Passengers are requested to check in 2 hours before the flight. Guests should check out of their rooms by noon. Sit down. Sit down. Of course, you know the meaning of sit down, right? And the opposite of sit down is stand up. Sit down, stand up. The examples: he sat down on the bed. The children stood up when the teacher walked into the room. Turn up. Turn up. It means to increase the sound. And the opposite is turn down. Turn down. It means to decrease the sound. And now the examples. Could you turn the TV up? Can you turn the TV down? I'm studying. The next one. Pick up. Pick up. It means to make a phone call. And the opposite is hang up. Hang up. It means to end a phone call. And now the examples. If you need me, you just have to pick up the phone. He said he'd call again and hang up on me. Drop off. Drop off. It means begin to sleep. And the opposite of this is wake up. Wake up is the opposite of drop off, as you can see in the picture. Now let's go to the examples. She kept dropping off at her desk. I wake up on 8 in the morning every day. The next one is put together. Put together. It means to put the parts of something into correct places and join them to each other. And the opposite is take apart. Take apart. It means to separate something into its different parts. And now the examples. It took several hours to put the puzzle together. We took the engine apart to see what the problem was. Be good at. Be good at. It means skillful at doing something. And the opposite is be bad at. It is exactly the opposite of be good at. And now, the examples. I'm good at English. I'm good at English. I'm bad at math. I'm bad at math. Call down. Call down. It means to reprimand. And the opposite is praise for. To admire somebody. The boss called us down for lateness. He should be praised for his honesty. The next one. Butch up. Butch up. It means to destroy or ruin. And the opposite is fix up. Fix up. It means to repair. I butched up the whole project. They fixed up the house before they moved in. Take off. Take off. To leave the ground and begin to fly. It is related to airplane. And the opposite is touchdown. Touchdown. To land. The plane took off an hour late. The helicopter touched down on the helipad. Go out. Go out. To leave your house. And the opposite, stay in. Stay in. To not go out. She goes out a lot. I feel like staying in tonight. Chill out. Chill out. It means to relax. And the opposite is stress out. Stress out. To make someone feel very nervous. They sometimes meet up to chill out and watch a movie. Interviews always stress me out. Okay, the lesson is done. Let me know what you think about this in the comment. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.